Hello, and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about double-clicking a room name in the estimate tree. As you can see, I have an Xactimate 28 estimate open, and for this Xact hack, I'm going to need a fairly complex sketch. So I'm actually going to hop over to Options and load a template. And I went to Matterport's website and the support page about TrueSketch, and I downloaded the TrueSketch Plus sample. So I'm going to load that here and put it into my estimate. And as you can see in the 3D mode, I have a fantastically detailed house with as-built, varying ceiling heights as to the as-built properties of this property for this sample. So next I'm going to go to the estimate item tree. And you can see I have all my room names from this sketch template that I just loaded. So if I double click a room name in the estimate tree here, bathroom 2, it's going to bring up another window, and that window is going to be zoomed in on the actual room in the sketch tab. This can be great for double checking measurements very quickly, get an idea of the layout of the room, kind of a visual reminder of what you're sketching and scoping. But as you can see, I can't zoom in and out on this. It's just here. I'm scrolling up and down. I can't do it. But what I can do is click it. So if I actually click this box right here, it's going to take me to the sketch tab, to the room that I was looking at. And I can zoom out real quick if I want to see it. Sometimes when you double click one of these, master bath for example, you'll just want to see this, but you may also want to see a little bit more around it, so you can just quickly hit it once and see more of the adjacent areas of that room that you were estimating at. Hopefully this speeds up your process of switching back and forth between the sketch tab and the estimate items tab, and gives you a way to just quickly double check a room measurements, an area, things along those lines. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.